Folks, this video will definitely blow your mind. It has become possible. The deadline for the Ripple vs. SEC hearing has been made public. Which part is the most interesting? Nobody questions the fact that Ripple will win. Totally crazy, right? Things only get more interesting from here on out. Many experts think that XRP Ripple coin will soon hit $251. It's too important to miss such a strong sign. Let's skip the introduction and get right to the point. Note that, again, Ripple's XRP is at the center of a major legal case that could determine its future and the rules that govern the whole crypto business. Ripple has won some important battles against the SEC, but new events have made an already troubled story even more complicated. The case has been going on for years, but when CryptoGeek wrote, SEC offers settlement with Ripple, it took an interesting turn. This remark sparked new discussions about Ripple's possible future. There was talk about whether Ripple would agree to a deal or keep fighting in court until they got a final win. To make things even more exciting, XRP Avengers wrote that Ripple has been given a new date by the U.S. Court of Appeal to go to court against the SEC. The long-running court case ends on Monday, December 23, 2024. Finished. We were victorious. This could be a big moment for Ripple and its community if it turns out to be true. People who support XRP were very happy about the tweet because they thought it would be the end of this long legal fight. To make things even more difficult, Ripple is also facing a different lawsuit from investor Bradley Sustak. Sustak has to send a mediation form to the U.S. Court of Appeals by December 23rd, which is also thought to be the date that Ripple will file an appeal against the SEC. Some important dates in this case don't come until early 2025. For example, Sustak's opening brief is due on March 6th, and Ripple's answer is due on April 7th. Any missed dates could lead to dismissal. But Ripple's legal team has shown that they are strong by handling multiple cases at once. This new case shows how complicated Ripple's legal problems are. While most of Sustak's claims are about alleged false advertising and XRP sales, Judge Phyllis Hamilton's recent approval of a request to amend the judgment has helped Ripple's defense. The fact that this decision briefly puts the case on hold shows that Ripple's strategy of small legal wins is working. The stakes couldn't be higher for Ripple and the whole cryptocurrency community as deadlines approach and the chance of a settlement grows. A clear victory over the SEC would confirm XRP as a real digital asset, making it easier for more people to use it and for big companies to invest in it. Any setbacks could give officials the confidence to go after other projects in the same area. The story of Ripple shows how crypto law in the US is changing over time. The future is still unclear, but one thing is clear: the XRP community's strength and Ripple's smart wins. Ripple isn't just trying to protect itself, the fight is for the crypto industry's future. As crypto geeks and XRP Avengers back up what a lot of people feel, Ripple's legal battle may be getting closer to its end, but the effects will be felt far beyond the courtroom. As Ripple's court case draws to a close and new, groundbreaking technologies change the crypto world, everyone has one question on their thoughts. How will this affect the price of XRP? There are opinions, and trust me, what they say will happen will surprise you. These new ideas might completely change how you think the future of XRP will turn out. Do not move, because what is about to happen will stun you. In the crypto space, Ripple's XRP has once again started a conversation, with analysts, fans, and skeptics making big claims about its future. Recent market activity has raised XRP's status, but its path is still not clear-cut, as people argue about whether it can beat Ethereum and Bitcoin. Certainty exists. At this point in time, XRP's past is very important, like XRP's meteoric rise in 2017. The cryptocurrency's huge 283% rise in November 2024 marked the end of a 5.5-year consolidation phase. Nevertheless, December has been more unstable. After reaching a high point of $2.90, XRP has gone back down, trading in a narrow range between $2 and $2.60 before falling to $2.15 because of market turmoil caused by the Federal Reserve's 0.25% interest rate cut. Optimism is still strong. Amonix, a well-known market analyst, pointed out that the breakout hasn't even begun yet. It will go crazy above $20. Drawing comparisons to 2017, Amonix believes XRP's current trajectory could mimic its historic rally, where the asset climbed nearly 60,000% in less than a year. This time, the stakes are even higher, with some projecting a price target as ambitious as $251, a staggering 50,100% increase. While some, like Jack the Rippler, predict XRP flipping Ethereum and Bitcoin again, others urge caution. Jackus, a more skeptical voice, wrote, "The breakdown will be violent. I highly recommend protecting yourself once this crypto coin XRP crashes." His worries center around the perceived fragility of XRP's trend line and extended distribution phase, suggesting potential vulnerabilities. On the other hand, XRP the Wizard and XRP Avenger stay steadfast in their belief in XRP's long-term potential. Only the real ones understand the true depth and power of XRP, declared XRP. The Wizard labeling it the sleeping giant poised for a dramatic awakening. Despite market fluctuations, large-scale investors or whales have shown unwavering confidence in XRP, revealed that approximately 30 million XRP were accumulated by whales in just 24 hours, signaling strong institutional interest even during periods of price dips. A lot of people are buying XRP right now, which supports the idea that this price is a good time to get in. According to Crypto Bull, the recent correction phase is most likely just a break before the next part of the rally. He thinks that XRP could get to $6 soon. Fitting with technical signs that point to a recovery in the positive, is XRP really the sleeping giant that its supporters say it is? Or are skeptics correct in there? Warnings of impending volatility? When everything calms down, one thing will be clear. The next steps XRP takes could have an effect on the whole cryptocurrency market as well as its own future. The new partnerships that are forming are also important to keep in mind. Trust me, you're not ready for what's coming next. It's becoming more and more clear that Ripple wants to take over the world. This bullish sign is so strong that it could change the whole crypto market. As more people around the world start to use XRP, analysts and investors are starting to pay attention to its price potential. It's clear that XRP is not just surviving the regulatory hurdles and market fluctuations, but it's also positioning itself for massive growth. While ambitious, is starting to feel less like a fantasy and more like an achievable milestone, thanks in large part to strategic partnerships and new use cases emerging worldwide. A major catalyst behind this potential rise is the global recognition and adoption of XRP as a payment solution. Brian Brooks, former acting comptroller of the currency under the Trump administration, recently joined MicroStrategy's board of directors, a notable development given his extensive experience overseeing the federal banking system. Brooks has been a vocal supporter of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and he has even predicted a settlement in the ongoing XRP lawsuit, comparing the early volatility of XRP to Google's uncertain days before its global success. This insight speaks volumes about the transformative potential XRP holds as it matures and becomes more widely accepted. One of the most exciting pieces of news for XRP holders is the Central Bank of India's announcement that they are working towards implementing XRP for payments. This is not just a step forward for Ripple, but a seismic shift in the broader crypto landscape. India's participation would mark one of the largest economies in the world adopting XRP as a standard for financial transactions, significantly boosting its utility and demand. When big countries like India, which has more than 1.4 billion people, start using XRP on a national level, the chance of prices going up by a huge amount becomes very real. At the same time, businesses like Japan's SBI Holdings are getting more involved with XRP. SBI has been considering a buyback plan for XRP as a way to help it grow. This could open up a market worth an amazing 3.9 trillion yen. If it works, this could change SBI's position in the market and strengthen XRP's place in the global financial system, especially in Asia, where the crypto and blockchain industries are growing quickly. What does all this mean for XRP's price? Well, these moves suggest that XRP is on the brink of a new era, one where its use in international payments, cross-border remittances, and central bank-backed projects could catapult its value to unprecedented heights. It's not just a speculative coin anymore. It's becoming the backbone of a new financial system, one that transcends national borders and traditional banking systems. Ultimately, the global adoption of XRP is the key to unlocking its true potential. As more countries and institutions adopt XRP for cross-border payments, and as